Hi everyone, welcome to a new vlog. Wow, it's been a long time. So here we go for another one. It's a food vlog. It's my grilled salmon with mayo recipe. Oh, it's so good. My mom says it is the best salmon I cooked in a very long time. So here we go. First, it is important that you have a quality salmon. I love salmon, and wild caught salmon is the best choice. It has higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids, lower levels of omega-6, so it less fat overall. It also has less calories and higher levels of essential vitamins that include potassium, zinc, and iron. And more importantly, it has less contaminants, toxins, less carcinogen risk due to water pollution compared to farm-raised salmon. So it is the best choice. So if you can, pick wild-caught salmon. So here we go, my recipe, only 4 ingredients: the salmon, mayo, and salt, and pepper, and lemons. So first important step is to pat dry the salmon. Make sure it's dry, and so the ingredients can absorb inside and make it really more delicious. Now preheat the oven at 40-50 degrees. I'm using my small oven. And then add your salt and pepper. Make sure to generously rub it all over both sides. Give it a TLC, or make love to your salmon, as other chefs say. Now time to slather the mayo all over the salmon, both sides. I use the regular Hellmann's light mayo with olive oil, but I usually use my own recipe, mayo vegan, and I'll post the recipe down below. It's really good. It's even better than the regular mayo. Now you can add some slices of lemon and bake it 450 degrees for 20 minutes, skin side down. And here's the finished product. Oh, really moist and delicious. I can tell you guys, if you start making your salmon with mayo, you're never gonna go back. Share it with family and friends, and let me know if you're going to try it and if it works for you. Thanks for watching. Be kind, be loving, and be inspired. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.